Hello, good afternoon. So this video will show you how to register a student for Quizstar. So I'm gonna share my screen right now. Hold on. Let me just... Yeah, I'm gonna share my screen right now. So as you can see, my Google search bar is here. So if you're gonna have the student register or enrolled for an entrance exam using Quizstar, just type in Quizstar on Google. And then here is the first option that you see here. You click on that one. And this is the Quizstar dashboard. So if a student is going to do that for themselves, so ask them to click on the sign up button. Fill out the information needed, like the first name, last name, and the username. Create the password for ask them to create a password. So for an example, I'm gonna use Miss Julianne's account, or yeah, the instructor's account to have this for an example. So let's have Julie, and last name is Alabastro. Username is the email address for Miss Julianne. So I'm gonna have this there. And create password, I'm just gonna have Julianne 123, Julianne 123. So, and then click on register. After that, you will be directed on this page where you can see there's a button here that says click here to search for a new class. Can be seen here. So click on that one and then click class number 1 and say teacher's name. Click on teacher's name and add Miss Florence details. So Florence Paulinist, and click on keyword search. After we click on the keyword search, scroll down at the very bottom. As you can see here, the TI entrance exam, Florence Paulinist. So check that one and register. There you go. You already enrolled Miss Julianne on Quizstar. So that's the portion where we register the student, or if you ask them to register for themselves. But I'm gonna show you another video on how to approve the registration made by Miss Julianne. So I'm gonna register as an instructor. So I'll go ahead again and share my screen. And then I'm gonna log out right now because I'm gonna log in using Miss Florence's account for the instructor. So once you log out, you can click on the instructor site. Click on that one. And then for the details, hold on. Let me just get my phone. So I'm back again. So I'm gonna log in using Miss Florence account on Quizstar. So there you go. So here's the instructor's site. So go to class manager button, click on that one. And then here's the TI entrance exam. So one quiz and then 159 students here. Click on the student. As you can see, Miss Julianne Alabastro's registration is in. So if we do that, we can have them accepted to have it approved. So example, I'm gonna have it accepted. Let's see if it's gone, but no. I think there's a problem with Quizstar, but to proceed with the registration of Miss Julian, we can add her as a student. So here's another option for us. If we don't want the student to do their own registration, we can have it done for ourselves. So we're gonna click on the add student here. Username would be the email address, right? So I'm gonna click in again for the email address here. Username, and then submit. There you go. Miss Julian is gone here because we already approved that one. So we can see here the Alabastro is letter A. There you go. Miss Julian can now take the entrance exam for Quizstar. Thank you.